Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Joanne and this is To Crochet Curious. Well, my vacation is officially over. I am back to work today, but I wanted to just drop in here and give you a little update. I have been reorganizing my yarn and whew, it's been a whirlwind week, but and I didn't do nearly as much stuff as I hoped to. I had a staycation, except for one overnight. We went on a motorcycle ride and went to Portland area for an overnight. But let me just do a quick review of the new yarn area. So this is a little awkward because I'm having to use my laptop. But here is... Okay, I'll get my face out of there. Oh, how am I going to do this? There we go. So we got, whoops, let me go this way. There we go. I got that organized. More of a rainbowy looking sort of color coded all together. And then here's all my multis. And then there's a lot of my my mandalas, but also all the stuff I have that is like neutrals and so forth, and you know, just some grab bag kind of stuff. And then we have some baskets of yarn these are the yarns that I'm hoping to use soon, putting them up where I can see them so that I can hopefully make good use of them. So lighten your eyes there. Okay, so let me do this. Oh, I can't get that light out of the frame. Here we go. All right, so I have one finished object, and it's a hot pad that I made out of my Home Deck Premier XL. And I have another one in the works. It's going to be rectangular and it's going to be the opposite color, and I'm going to make a set out of them. I'm working on building up some inventory so I can either do a market or maybe a Etsy shop. So I'm working on this one, and then I'll edge it with the straight brown. So anyway, woohoo! Anyway, I got to get to work, so have a lovely day, and we'll talk to you on the next video. Bye now.